How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. So today we are gonna take a quick first look at MSI's new MEG Z390 ACE motherboard that is made for the new upcoming 9th generation CPUs from Intel. It does support the Coffee Lake 8th generation CPUs, but it's mostly gonna be for the 9th generation. So today we're just gonna unbox the motherboard, see what's inside, see how it actually looks, because from just the box we can see it looks really cool. Just like the MSI logo is all gold, everything is gold, so that's really cool. And then later on we are gonna do a full review. Can't remember when the NDA lifts really, so it just depends on when that is going to be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now let's get into unboxing this bad boy. And here it is. Now again, like, you get the gold MSI logo here at the top, you're on the sides as well, and just all out gold everywhere. And we can also really see that it kind of looks like that infinity mirror with the light panel here. So I'm curious to see how that actually looks once we boot it up and check it out, all of the lighting and everything. But now let's open it up, see what's inside. So firstly, we got some documents from MSI themselves. And then we have the board. Let's just take that out for now and take a look at what's down here. So here you get your SLI bridge, looks like it. Yeah, SLI bridge. Get your driver DVD. Get some M.2 screws. Get an MSI badge, looks like it. You get some other MSI thingies, papers. Don't really care about that. Get your MSI thing, some stickers. You get your quick installation guide. You get some more M.2 screws. Get the gold manual. And then what else? So let's quickly take a look. You get your two SATA cables. Get more SATA cables, so 4 SATA cables in total. So we open this up. And then also you get your wireless antenna, which I don't know how it actually goes in yet. Probably like that. So that's actually pretty cool. So you can do something with that, put it on top of your PC case, and it's gonna look like a fin. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And then down here we have some, looks like RGB connection cables, some more RGB cables, and then some more extension cables. So we know there's going to be some RGB in the system. And then here we have the board, the MEG Z390 ACE. You can definitely see that ACE up here. We do have an infinity mirror. Unfortunately, I can't put it on to really see how it looks like, but it's going to look really nice. You do get your 4 DIMM slots. I can't really see if it's actually RGB. I just believe it is like a chrome cover. So that's unfortunate, but it still looks really fancy. You do get your decent heat spreaders up here. You get your chipset down here, your M.2 shield. For storage, you get 3 M.2 slots. You get 6 SATA ports. You get your 3 PCI Express 16x slots, probably running at full 16x speed as well. We'll just have to check for the bottom one, but I believe so. And then also you get your 3 one-time slots. For power, you get your dual 8 pins, so this is definitely meant for overclocking. And then just your standard 24 pin for power. Down here you have your power and reset switch alongside your overclocking button, and then your post notification LED, or just, yeah, LEDs up there. For I/O, we have an integrated I/O shield, which is nice, so no more forgetting that after you've already installed the motherboard. Still a noob mistake, but it does happen sometimes. So you get your clear CMOS button, your BIOS flashback button, 4 USB 3.0 ports, I believe, your USB Type-C, and then also your USB 3.1 Gen 2 USB Type-A port, your Gigabit Ethernet port, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. your wireless antenna connections, and then also all of your audio connections. At the back, there's nothing really there, but it does look all nice. So yeah, it does support MSI and Crossfire if you wanted to just be clear. Now then, as for overclocking, it does have a pretty decent heat spreader and then also chokes and capacitors. We will first have to open it up and see what components it actually has, what quality they are, but I do believe they're going to be pretty decent enough. This is meant for overclocking, so it is going to deliver that. But again, we will have to first wait and see and how it actually performs in the full review. But so far it does look really nice, pretty much has everything that you would want from your motherboard. Some RGB down there as well, just remember that. So this thing is definitely going to give you everything that you would want, and is going to support that 9th generation Intel CPUs quite nicely. So that's pretty much it for our unboxing of MSI's new MEG Z390 ACE motherboard for the new Intel 9th generation CPUs. Now, I don't think I'm gonna have a 9th generation CPU to test it on the board, but luckily it does still support Copper Lake, so I'm gonna throw my 8700K on the board, see how it performs, see how far I can overclock it, and yeah, just have an all-out time with it. I'm gonna do a full review. Everything is coming out soon-ish once the NDA lifts, so stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe and then put the bell notification on, because yeah, YouTube doesn't really let you guys know when I bring out a video. Don't know what's going on there, but yeah. So, but that's anyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will definitely check you guys in the next video. Cheers, guys.